Mike's checking out the pizza project. But instead of pepperoni, Mike likes pupperoni on his pizza. Can you try to catch? Did you get it? Oh, you got it! You got the pepperoni! Good boy. Okay. Oh. Jack's checking out what's going on too. Okay, Mike, can you sit? That's not sit. That's have a talkative lie down. Oh, Jack's going in to check out the pizza. Okay, good boy. Catch. 2 for 2. You are nailing it. Oh, here he comes. The flying Walinda. Okay, Jack. Mike. Stay. Stay. Catch. Oh dear. Jack threw my game off a little bit. Okay, we'll try one more time, okay? Stay there. Okay, and catch. 3 out of 4, not bad. Pretty good catching average. Good boy, Mike. Good boy. Good work. Can you sit? Can you speak? Speak. Speak. Mike, speak. Woof. Down. Lie down. Good boy. You're so clever. Good boy.